How to use Instagram broadcast channel. Hi everybody. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use Instagram broadcast channel. So Instagram broadcast channel allows creators to send one-way announcement and update to their followers who can react and vote in poll but cannot directly reply. So to start this, you have to go to the Instagram DM or direct message section. So here you are. So click on the DMs icon, after which you just need to go ahead and select create broadcast channel. So click on this pencil shape icon, and there you have these create broadcast channel. So for this you need a professional account, so you want to make sure to switch your account type to professional, and after which click on the messenger icon at the top right, and then you could go ahead and click on the following options. So when you do this, you have to go ahead and choose a name for your channel and set audience as, or set an audience as well, and set an invite through one-time notifications such as share the link in the stories or pin it to your profile as well. Then the next thing what you want to do is you will utilize various platform like text, audio, or and you could utilize various formats like text, audio, photos, videos, and posts from your feed to engage your audience. You could also add admins pin messages and choose when the channels end, and that is how you'll be able to use Instagram broadcast channel. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.